Hello and welcome to RC Birds, and thanks for stopping by. Mark of RCU in the Shed mentioned that I should use a smaller car for my suitcase crawler course. So this is a car I bought now. I first wanted the HO Unimog from Carson, but after 3 weeks my dealer told me that it isn't available anymore. Not nice, so I bought this Sniclo Banggood 1x64 crawler, which is a little bit bigger than the 1x87 HO size. You can get the car in different colors. You can get the car only, the car with RC, and the car with FPV goggles. Although I'm a fan of FPVs, I didn't buy the camera and the goggles. I don't do a big unboxing video, I just show you what I get in this box. So here we have a manual. This should be in Chinese and in English. Yep. The rock where you can practice crawling on your desk. A little screwdriver and some springs for the suspension. These are SNT stickers, or stickers from SNT with different cars. Nice. A charger and a key ring. The radio. There are different versions out there. From the function, it can be used for the car with the goggles. So this radio has more than the 2 channels to drive this. In some videos I saw that there are batteries in there. In this case, you need 3 AAA batteries. And the last thing is the car itself. This here is pretty cool. You can put it on display and save it from dust. The car is quite heavy for the size. And if you want to upgrade the car with the FPV cam, you just have to remove these little plates from the roof. I had seen some of the unboxing cars while I researched this. There was a second set of tires in. I don't get this, I got springs. Looking nice. It has quite an amount of flex. There is a little 3.7 LiPo battery in, which will be charged on the transmitter. Oh, they already changed this. Okay, let's have a short break. I read the manual, put some batteries in, and then I'm back. Okay, now the thing that I feared or don't want is if you want to charge the car. Oops. You have to use this USB cable. I'm not a fan of this, but they say that the car will shut off immediately as soon as it is charged. So before I put this aside and let it charge for the first time, I show a little size comparison. This is a 1x64. This is a 1x24. Here's a 1x10. I will charge this up. After I charge it, I have to shut it on and also use the bind button here on the radio, and then I'm fine to go. And I see you back when I test the new car on the ramp of my suitcase crawler course. So, what should I say? The car is nice, that's for sure. It has a lot of flex, but flex isn't everything. There's almost no clearance. And this is the reason why it doesn't work on Cauliflower Mountain. Here it's even further, with the parts holding the wheels. It's nice for driving on a desk and with little obstacles which have long and flat surfaces and not like my Cauliflower Mountain with many edges. We've got lights. It even has reverse lights and brake lights. no rear lights. So, it's a nice car. I'm happy with it having in my collection, but it doesn't work on Cauliflower Mountain because it doesn't get over the rocks and the lack of ground clearance. As conclusion, the scale is too small for Cauliflower Mountain, so I need a bigger scale. The next crawler I found was 1x43, and this will probably test it in one of my next videos. I thank you for watching. If you have some questions, the comment section is yours. And as always, please like, share and subscribe. This will really help me out. See you soon on RC Birds.